What is going on, guys, and welcome back. Thank you for tuning back in. Today is going to be a special video. Not a special video for me, but a very special video for my buddy Dre, which his car looks insane, guys. Wait till I show you guys this. I know he's going to be mad because he's not even here to talk about it. He's not even here uh, to show it off and like, yeah, lowly man car club. But his car looks insane. It just got out of the paint shop. The color he chose, spot on. I haven't seen this color in a G35 sedan anywhere. Probably maybe on the internet somewhere. I probably scrolled on by like on Instagram or something. But never in person. And I never imagined this color to be in a G35 sedan. But it just came out of the body shop. We have his bumper here, his spoiler, his grill, couple headlights over there. I don't want to show too much on that side because the car's over there. I don't want to reveal it yet because I know he's gonna come in about maybe 15-10 minutes. But I want to start getting it ready for him. Put headlights, put bumpers, put the grills. The whole interior kind of is taken apart. And let me show you guys this car. This color, insane. And I'm gonna let him tell you guys the details, like the pricing and stuff of how much it cost him and everything when he gets here, because he knows more information about that. But y'all ain't ready for this, man. That's the car. The white stuff you see is compound to wax the paint, to buff the paint. I'm sorry. And they started doing it, but he wanted to do it. He bought, man, this guy's ready. He bought sandpaper. He bought pads, which are already in the car. He bought a brand new, this man bought a brand new buffer just to get this car done. I had one, but he didn't know I had one. But me and him were the same. If you have a tool and I don't have a tool, that's cool. I know you will let me borrow the tool, but I want to have my own. That's it. That's how we are. We want to have our own tools. But man, that in person it looks insane. When the headlights, when the grill, when the bumper, everything is back on. Trust me, guys. This thing is gonna look so good. So good. But man, I'm happy for my boy. I wish it was my car, honestly. I wish I got my car painted. But, you know, my time will come. His time has came. I'm going to let him tell you guys the history behind this car with him. I believe he was like the first owner or something since 2003 when it came out, or 4, I believe. But, yeah, guys, I just want to show you guys the car. I'm going to jump right into it. Guys, I got an issue straight off the bat. I don't know where the bolts are for the headlights or the bumper or anything in that fact. So let's give Dre a call. Maybe he knows. Hopefully they're not at the body shop. Let's see.
What up?
Hey, where are your headlight bolts?
They should be in the car somewhere. I don't know.
Oh man.
For real.
I mean, I don't know. I haven't checked yet, but I don't know how they look like.
What you mean?
Like, I don't know which ones are for the headlight.
Um,
So,
they should be in the car. I'm on my way. They should be in that car somewhere. I know when we taking out bolts, we was putting the bolts in the car.
yeah.
So they should be in there somewhere.
Okay, cool.
If not, I might have to run to the junkyard and grab it.
I mean, hey, if that's the case, but nah, they should be in here somewhere. I mean, they gotta be.
I'm sure they are. We just gotta find them.
Oh.
Always something.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
Let me get up now and run over there.
Y'all heard that? He gonna get up now after he said he's on his way. Comment down below. Tell him, Dre, get your game up. Guys, the bumper is in, the grill is in. We mocked it up, we cut it, we shaved some, but it's in. He's got his light bar on. There is some gaps, some imperfection gaps. That's because headlight is from a 2005, so you're gonna have this gap. Also, the hood and no, the bumper is from a 05. And I believe the grill is from a 05.
The grill, this grill?
No, this grill might be from a
That's
03.
From 03.
That's why I didn't fit the bumper.
It didn't fit the bumper.
Got you. Okay.
The bumper is a 05 because remember we got the mesh down there, so we
Yeah.
put the fog lights on.
Yeah. Okay.
So I had to switch up. I had to go to a different bumper.
Okay. So you guys might not have to do this if you are doing this to your 03, because I'm not too sure. He knows a lot about the years, whatever changes. But the grill is for 03.
The grill's for 03.
But this bumper is a 05.
It's off of 05. So if you want to put fog lights, you got to put a 05 bumper on there because they have the spaces on the end. So we'll do that eventually. But it gives you a little space at the top with the headlights. But other than that, everything fits. Everything is plug and play. It's just how you want it to look.
Yeah.
I don't mind them little gaps right now.
That's more aero, you know. That's
it's a
just
work in progress.
That's just more air going into the motor.
Right.
That's it.
Right.
All right, guys, we got the tail lights on, and it's kind of a debate on which ones we should go with. I like the OEM. He likes the aftermarket. Comment below. He's not gonna leave it like this at all.
I might if y'all don't tell me.
But he wants an opinion. OEM or aftermarket. I feel like this looks like a hybrid.
With those?
Yeah.
Because of that, the way that it is.
Because of the chrome.
Yeah. I don't know. This is a tough one.
It's tough.
It's a tough one. I don't know.
Or what if we get like a red tint or a red wrap and wrap it red, but you would still see like the LED bubble holes.
Well, if that's the case, I might as well put the regular OEM lights on there because they're like that.
Are they?
The red ones are like that. The original ones.
Aren't those original?
Nah, them came off of the 05. Remember from 06, from 07, 08, all them came with those.
Oh.
Those are the ones everybody wants. The original ones are like this, but it's just red.
Oh. I still like these.
Yeah.
But comment down below which ones you guys like.
Yeah, because I'm not knowing right now, people. Help me out. Help me out. I'm not knowing. I'm not sure.
You don't know which one? Help him out.